So in our last video, we created an embed form to put on our website. That is the one here, the home page form. So if you would like to create an email that goes to your new subscriber that says thank you, you've been subscribed, or a thank you page, you can do that right here within MailerLite rather than doing a thank you page on your website. It's just all a matter of personal preference. So I'm just going to click on edit. And that'll bring up our form that we just created. And this is where you would look at your stats for that particular form. So you can see how it's performing, how many people have subscribed, and it shows you how many visitors you've had, your conversion percentage, your daily stats, and then it'll show you a list of the subscribers that have subscribed to this particular form. Then you can create a confirmation email or a confirmation thank you page. I'm just going to do an email so that they get that in their email box and they can do the double opt-in. That way we're making sure that they want to do that. Subject line, please confirm your subscription. That's fairly standard, so I'm going to leave that as is. It's going to be from Ruse Rubs, and it's got my email there. And then this is what our beautiful form looks like right now. It does have our logo. It pulled that in. So we're going to edit this and get rid of the green. Make our button red if we want. So I'm going to go over to Design. And you have your design themes here that you can choose from. We're going to go again with Custom Design. And we're going to click on Header. And on this background, we're going to just make that white again. And save that. And I'm good with the logo being just like that. It just needs to be a simple email that says, you know, thank you for subscribing. So we're done there. And we can do save as new theme. Let's go ahead and change before we do that. You would want to change your links. I don't know that we'll have one in this particular page, but if we go ahead and save it, then it will bring up this template for us on all future. Our button, I like for the background color to be the red. And within the body, we're just going to do black text, the link, and in the footer, that's where you can change the background color, your company name, social shares. We'll go ahead and add those. Oh, it doesn't have it there. Okay. That's just the colors. Sorry, that's under design. So we're going to save that as a new theme. And I'm going to call it Ruse Rubs and say OK. And normally when I design, once I do the first one, it'll normally pull that up like you saw when we pulled it up. It brought in the logo for us. Okay, so once we get all of those set, we can decide what we want to say in our content. So we're going to go back to content. And we're going to click here. If you receive this email by mistake, simply delete it. You won't be subscribed if you don't click the confirmation link above. So that's when you have your double opt-in set in. Yes, subscribe me to this list. I'm going to change that to say, yes, I still want in, or something like that. That way it lets them know, hey, you know, you decided you wanted this. Are you sure? Are you sure? Instead of kind of asking them, giving them the option of yes or no. It kind of does it in a different way. And I'm just going to leave please confirm subscription because that's what they're doing. Again, this is a very standard, most things that you opt in for. Newsletters, freebies, you will always get an email that says, hey, thank you for subscribing. I just need to confirm your email address. Please click here. So we're just confirming that subscription. I'm going to click save. I'm going to say done editing. And there it is, our little thank you page. So we're still under basically editing this home page. So now that we've filled out the confirmation email, it will send that for them once they subscribe. So we are all finished there. And we can just exit out and go back to our subscribers. because we've saved within the design. There's no need to save anything else, and it is done and ready to roll.